Kasinjuk jong kiseng nyam bapher kibadon ha Shillong All Faiths Forum SAFF hakash pautrik nailar kala Rakhe kajing daplai Snem pura balaseng ka hakash pautrik nailar arhajar arpo habaga klam COVID-19 kadang kelang hakni kejela hari India barak perthai barok kawai. Kajing temu jong ni kasinjuk kiseng nyam kalong banwan ra kajing suk kajing shong shngan bat kajing kun persya kajing sniu ki bakta imlang salang kham tam le yo drop. Dia kini kejingelang Rakhe Lyngkhuh Snem Balai la pelong habian ki hall Cathedral Parish Lyngkhuh ha kaba ulat badan buram ke Meghalaya pagu chohan ulalong ukongsan ha kini kesngi. Kini kejingelang kalaya merjing mot ha ki pang ki bayade bat kesuk kesan ha ki imlang saalang jeng ki pat nyong shong shnong ke Shillong bat kejela Meghalaya berok kawai. President Most Reverend Bishop P. Lyngkhuh na ka Church of North India ulai kejingkren pediang ngobhai ukongsan bat dia barok ki nongkit kam jong ni kesenjuk. Usketri jongani kesenjuk Reverend Father Richard Majau Vicar General Shillong Archdiocese ula ai ke report trekam jongani kesenjuk naduk belas tangyaka haduk keni kesngi. Hakani kejing Rakhe Lyngkhuh Snem kisamla na keseng khasi kimi kila ai kejing rai tenrai kat baki wei pat ki belas shimenta na kebenta ka cultural program ki kentup kejing shat na ki record jongga Shillong Gurudwara. Kiwei pat kibelakren hagni gijingelang kilong Arpita Barwa Naba Bata Charji Dr. Omar Lin Kindia bat uba Nur Nongrum ula ai gijing koblei penwai. Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Uttar Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत Habakrench kilat pathai khubor u Bishop P. Lyngkhuh ubade President uloong balingba ka jingdon jong ka SAFF kalayarap shishai ki patpa uloong ru ba nakaliang jong ka SAFF kilayatai banyak bah halor ka jingkerni kena samla ha ki jingdi penbuat baharukom ulai thu ru babarok ki khot jong ka SAFF ki dei nikinyam bapher ki balai terelang da kawi ka jingmut banwan ra ka jinglong kawai kum ki nong shong shnong kari India ki ba imsuk imsan para brio ki ba buram markelyang bat ki ba tenrong lem ha ka khia ka shon ha ki imlang salang kini ki dei ki jingthmu bat ki mat terekam bakongsan jong ka SAFF ha kani ka jela.
Well, 3 years is not a very long time, considering the age of our state, Meghalaya. But Saff, as you have heard just now, was formed during the COVID problems. The government had invited faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections, and all that is necessary. So, as a Saff, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, special operation SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to the government, and they have been accepted. Then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, but besides all that, the best part of Saff is that we are able to come together, to sit together, as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. What I said, though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, so much problems. Saff is a small seed we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, the government or the society required of us, we the Saff is there, always willing to help and be of service to the society.
The city is not.
It is still to be verified, so that's why we have not really gone deep into the matter. But we are keeping up with all these incidents in the town. We in our last meeting, we have talked about Manipur, and immediately the one and the only thing that Saff can offer is prayer for peace, prayer for harmony. So we have done that, and together as one body, and we'll see in the future what can be done. We will take it. Saff is there to bring about peace, harmony, brotherhood. Discuss and see what we can do, or what way we can help people in Manipur. If in Shillong this is possible, we believe that it should be possible anywhere.